Okay, we just unbolted everything. We're about to yank this motor out. In case you just happened upon this video, this is a 522 big block and a 71 Chevelle SS.
You can tell you a little bit about watch Harley. Sometimes once it starts.
Alex, move.
Harley, come here, buddy. Harley, you lazy butt. Out the way. Get out the way.
We're not touching anywhere, so that means that noise was not valve covers hitting.
Who's that?
Yeah, there's our noise.
Yeah.
That's our ticking noise that I was hearing. I knew there was something.
Ransack.
Removing the roller rocker arms now. It's important to make sure when you unbolt them that there's no pressure on it. So you unbolt the ones first that have no pressure on them. You loosen them and take them off. And then you rotate the motor till the spring comes up all the way. And then you take it out. Otherwise the pressure will strip out the thread in here as you're releasing it.
No stripping. I taught him that.
The bolt's out of the intake, so we're just going to pull it off there. And then we're going to remove the heads. Off with the heads.
Off with the head. Okay, so this side's good, no problems.
Ooh,
Oh, it says grip on my feet.
nothing like it this time.
Nothing hitting. I centered that puppy good.
Got no contact points anywhere.
Clearance must have been good.
Yep, clearance must have been good.
Big aluminum rod motor. Yeah, not the prettiest thing you've ever seen. Looks like we got some material here. Looks like a bearing, part of a bearing. You can see it.
More bearing material on the oil filter.
Okay, we got my big block out of the car and we got it tore apart, turned upside down. This is what she looks like. Aluminum rod motor, lightweight assembly. You can see where they drilled out the crank, the counter weights for the rods. Got lightweight racing pistons in it too. 522 cubic inch. So we're gonna open it up and see where the bad bearing's at. Ah, that was the one.
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Did I diagnose that right? I said the crank got rust on it. Look at my crank.
Oh yeah.
The crank got rust on it, and the rust took out the bearing.
Well, good job, babe.
Ta-da!
Okay, so that was the problem, and you'll see how we fix it.
Got rust inside
Stay
the
tuned and thanks for
cylinder,
watching,
but
guys.
I didn't care.
Who's the handsomest man in the land? Why do dogs do that? They look at you until the camera's on them, and then they look away every time. Huh? Every dog does it. Every dog.